Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything down. This prevents pops and protects speakers. Once done, identify the audio interface's line outputs and the amplifier's inputs, and pick the matching cable, for example balanced TRS or XLR for longer runs, RCA for consumer gear. Make the physical connection now. Plug the chosen cable firmly into the interface output, then route it to the amp input. While you connect, check that jumpers or output pads on the interface are set to line level to avoid clipping. Next, focus on gain staging and signal routing so you get clean audio. First, confirm the interface is sending a line-level signal and set the amp input selector to accept line, not phono or mic. Then, slowly raise the interface output or master volume to a low reference level while monitoring meters. Make sure you're using balanced cables for long runs to minimize hum, and if you see clipping lights, reduce the interface output rather than the amp gain to preserve headroom and clarity. Finish by powering devices in the right order. Power the interface first, then the amplifier last, keeping the amp muted as you enable power. Once both are stable, play a familiar track at low volume and slowly raise output while listening for distortion, hum, or dropouts. If you hear noise, stop and diagnose, swap cables, test with a different input, or engage a ground lift if the amp supports it. One key tip: if nothing passes through, check input selectors and mute switches before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.